time. You want them rolling like a rolling stone. Think I need some time alone.
Bro, what the
Every video starts off with popcorn.
No, it doesn't. What the What the freak? Okay, so y'all, if y'all not gonna be cool if y'all don't know BTS, bro. Like BTS, they're just like they sing songs. It's just girls.
Trash.
You're trash.
Yeah.
Hope
Come
you
on, bro.
fall off your seat.
This thing ain't stable, bro.
So, since you wanted some camera time, what you got to say?
I just wanted to say, go check out Sayo Pacino's music and go to
Nosy Boys channel.
TV.
Nosy boys. It's noisy boys. But I'll accept it though. I'll accept it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Side P and we back with another video. Noisy Gang, Noisy TV. Anyway, back with another video. Y'all make sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, do all of that. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get this channel to grow. We already at 1K on 2 different videos. We got 100 and some, I think like 150 subscribers right now. We just started off. We're trying to pop. We're trying to move it. If all that helps, once y'all do that, that helps my channel grow. My channel grow. I can start doing my giveaways and all that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? We can start doing better videos. I wish they was old enough to do the hot chip challenge. But
Hot chip challenge. You think we're not old enough?
yeah, like.
What's the hot chip challenge?
Exactly.
Something that you eat hot chips and don't drink water? Bro, we're base.
Peace.
This is a celebration. Oh my god. I think I'm base god.
We can eat Takis without drinking water.
They not Takis. It's hot. It's way hotter than Takis.
Okay?
It's hotter than anything you ever ate.
Oh, don't try me.
I'm telling you. This what I'm gonna do.
Cody,
What's
stop.
up? What's some chips that's hot? That y'all
So, if you ever buy these, they have red packs. They are super spicy. Red packs. The red
I don't
packs.
even know what this is. Oh, this that stuff I be seeing.
I guess
Y'all gonna do a video eating this? Or y'all already ate some?
we ate some before.
No.
The-
I gotta make it hotter.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So they have pink, yellow, like black, red, and I think like whitish kind of little. They have thin textures.
So this
No.
ain't the hottest one?
No,
Y'all had the hottest one?
Yes. The red one is the hottest one.
Was it hot?
We had to drink milk and water.
For real? We're gonna do that and put Takis in it.
You're mad weird, bro.
What? That chip hotter than all that. It's just one chip. It's super hot.
Okay, bet. Go get me now.
Y'all gonna be in here crying.
Okay, I'll defeat my crimes just for a chip.
You gonna do what? Defeat your cry for a chip?
I know it's a black chip, and I seen like
Look, I'm
a
finna put it
little
on the TV.
kid.
That what we're gonna do. We're gonna get y'all the hot ones. We're gonna add hot sauce and we're gonna put Takis. We're gonna crush up Takis and put them in there.
Okay.
Where y'all get them from?
Some we got from Food Depot.
Okay.
That we stayed. But then I heard her talking on the phone about some. Yeah, are you gonna come get them or something? Or do I need to drop them off with Honesty?
She ready for y'all to go. Y'all be in here screaming.
What, we supposed to be like this?
Yeah.
Hey, that boy say he a hot boy. Hey, how you feeling?
Do it zoom. It don't even zoom.
Okay. Oh, I think so. Like.
Why I gotta be so multicolored and green?
I don't know. Hey, that boy still going crazy. What happened? It tastes good? Hey, it tastes good. Hold on. Hey, it was good. How you feeling right now? You a hot boy? You a hot boy? You still a hot boy? Well, I got another one for you. You gonna take another one? You wanna see if you're really a hot boy? You gonna take another one?
Y'all niggas only bring no water, y'all married that. What's going on? God, son. What the?
Hey, I thought you said it was nothing.
Y'all was cheering pump. Y'all just watching me burn out like this. It works.
All right, just bring me the regular.
It is
1 through 10.
100.
Nope.
Ah!
Scared me.
What's that?
Take me off the video right now.
Noisy Boy TV, Noisy Boy Gang. Y'all already know what's up. But basically this video, I didn't know that I was about to do this video, but my mom had called me. Scroll down, look at this dog. So she randomly got the dog. So yeah, I'm finna take y'all in there, show y'all the dog so y'all can see the dog. My niece is in there, they're playing with the dog, they love it. And you know, kids love dogs. It's a female bulldog. You know, them bitches ugly and cute at the same time. So yeah, man, I'm finna take y'all in here so y'all can see this dog and just see how they interact with him.
You should name her Regina.
So they're trying to think of names right now. I don't know what.
Are you recording stuff?
Regina? I've never heard of a dog called Regina.
What about Marinette?
Terrible.
Monies. Name her Simone. Monies.
Terrible. You guys are terrible at name picking. So what you want the dog to be?
I want her to be Sage.
Sage?
Yeah, but nobody picked that, so it's not gonna be Sage.
Alright, what after Sage?
What after Sage? What's on the list?
Or do the head first,
Alright, y'all, so look.
then come
So
back
they got me
and
doing,
do
like,
the
we're gonna
other
pull the
section.
name out of the hat.
Into the bag, and then just
Sapphire,
touching it to
Ginger,
the
Hazel,
glue. That way
and I
you
threw in a little David
can-
on there. Alright, so I got the names right here. Put them in the hat. Shake it around.
Leah, go first. Do we look at it as soon as we get it? We're all not going to get the same. That's the name. I already said Sapphire.
Ginger.
What'd you get?
So Hazel wins.
Yeah, you should have did.
One person. So the dog's name is gonna be Hazel. What's up, Hazel?
Mom putting it in my bag. When?
So y'all, this is Hazel. You know what I'm saying?
To be honest,
The new dog.
see it, but I had a feeling it was her. But Dad didn't take my
This
word for
motherfucker
it.
chunky. You my best friend.
Familiar with my
You feel me? Me and you, we gonna be like Batman and Robin.
Oh, is
Of course you gonna be Robin, cause I'm Batman.
and can't even
Okay?
embrace it.
Alright, appreciate
He
you.
made me so much on purpose and broke it. And then I screamed as loud.
She's my dog.
I didn't.
How you feel about the name
Why are
Hazel?
you recording me like this?
Oh my bad. Oh, how do you feel about the name Hazel?
I like cheese.
I think David was the best name. Should've went with David. Bro, how you feel about the dog, bro?
I like. Okay. I like Hazel. Hazel Sapphire is a great name.
So her name Hazel Sapphire?
Yes.
Some bullshit. But I ain't.
But I do need to tell everybody.
Tell everybody what?
Oh,
I like
inconsistency.
cheese.
That just means that it's a big.
Yeah, it's the best. That makes it more exciting.
So y'all, that shit right there, man. For that video, I just wanted to kind of like, I really like with this page, I really want to get a little more personal with it so y'all know what's going on. Actually, you know what I'm saying, know that y'all are part of this situation. Cause like I said, Noisy Gang, Noisy Family for sure. Like everybody who rocking with me for sure, like later on in the situation, y'all gonna see this is a us thing, you know what I'm saying? Anybody who rocking with me, subscribers, I'm gonna be giving back to y'all I'll be pulling up on y'all, you know what I'm saying, doing videos with y'all. Yeah, man, just try to get a little personal on this video. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I didn't even know she was getting a dog. It just happened on, she called me and asked me and told me to look on my phone, and I was looking at dogs. She was like, so which one? And I was like, shit, this one. I picked the dog, you know what I'm saying? A couple minutes, not too long later, she pulled up with it. And you know what I'm saying? That's what it was. So, yeah, man, goddamn, what her name is, Haze or Sapphire, you know what I'm saying? New part of the family, you know what I'm saying? She knows the game for sure. Y'all already know she knows the game. But yeah, man, so that's what's going on, man. Boom. That's it. Fuck you, nigga.
Means is I'm just holding the bag and squeezing really hard, and that kind of makes icing these little bubbles here. And you're on the bag.
What you want to smoke?
Boom!
Niggas know that I don't play, bring no game with us. I came here to have some fun,